Hello diving lovers. It's me, Emma Sophia. In the next YouTube video I will take you on an outstanding journey into the deep blue. On the Red Sea liveaboard, our team dived into a drop-off cliffside that plunged down over 750 meters deep. It's scary to look down and just see endless blue. The only way to describe it is like being an astronaut floating in the void and looking into infinite space. If we moved away from the cliff, it could be totally disorienting, as the blue would be the same wherever we turned. And our depth perception would be lost if we didn't have a dive computer. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment.